From sales, production, quality, marketing, and finance, everyone at Promark plays an essential role in our business.
We are fortunate to have a team of people with good industry background, good knowledge of the product.
We used to look for experience, now we look for attitude.
We have people from all over the world, from all the continents. People is really passionate, really conscious.
I like that everybody tries to learn more in the systems as we're learning things, because most of what we're doing here is new.
You know, in a growing business, you can't necessarily micromanage every aspect. You need to let people have that freedom to explore their own thoughts, to execute things in their own way.
I want the employees to take initiative. I tell them all the time, and any idea you have, bring it to me and we'll do it.
We have an open door policy, so a million times throughout the day, there's always somebody coming in, knocking on my door, sitting down, and you know, it's an honor really to be able to help the people that they trust you to come and share something that they wouldn't normally.
I'm a people person, so I like to treat people how I like to be treated.
With it being a family business, we of course treat everyone as family. It's something that my dad's always done, it's something that I do. We do a lot of things to engage with the employees. We have a smoothie truck, an ice cream truck that comes. We do our Christmas parties every year. So really trying to keep everybody together as a close-knit family.
We talk every day to each other. In this company there is open door policy. So far, I never see a door closed.
Oh, I love my job. I'm very, very content with it. You're always working with different departments with different tasks, but when it comes to me, it is numbers related, so it's something I'm passionate about.
Every day there's one person that I'll leave the office and I'm very proud of what they did. They took their own initiative to figure out what they needed to do, action it, execute it in the best interest of the business and the customer. It happens every single day and it's always someone different. And they're engaged because they really love what they do.